Hello everyone, I'm back with another Ukay2 collective haul. So let's get started. And for this first item is this blue crop sweater. I really love the color of this sweater and I got this for only 5 pesos. And this second item is a printed v-neck top. I'm really into prints these days and this print gave me a vintage vibe. For this top, I got this for only 10 pesos. For the third item is also another printed top. Like I said, I'm into printed prints these days. And for this top, I got this for only 5 pesos. And for the fourth item is this basic black crop shirt with a hidden print at the left sleeve. This is really cute and I got this top for only 5. And this fifth item is this black polo shirt and it's a Lacoste polo shirt. I'm not sure if this is an original Lacoste shirt, but that's fine because I only got this for only 5 pesos. Imagine for a Lacoste polo shirt for 5 pesos, that's a major steal, guys. And this sixth item is this basic blue sleeveless top. This top is really cute and I really love the bright color. And I got this for only 10 pesos. And we're down to our second to the last item. Is this really cute cardigan. I really love orange mustardy color on it and it also has a velvet material. And for this top, I only got this for 15 pesos. And now we're down to the last item. Is this really long dress with 2 pockets on it. This is a long dress but I love the length of this for my height and I also love the color and I only got this for 10 pesos. And that is it for my collective haul. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time guys, see you in my next one. Bye bye.